Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll be introducing you to Calendly and demonstrating how you can use it to schedule your appointments and meetings. With that said, let's dive right in. Here's the website. As you can see, it's calendly.com. It's straightforward, user-friendly, and easy to navigate. For those unfamiliar with Calendly, it's a software tool designed to help you manage your meetings and appointments, ultimately aiding in staying organized. Now that you have a brief understanding of what it does, let's quickly walk through the sign-up process. Creating an account is a breeze. All you need to do is click on Get Start. Enter your email address here and click the Sign Up button. Notably, you can create a free account without needing to provide credit card information, which is quite impressive. As you can see, once you've entered your email address, you can proceed with the sign-up. However, I'm opting for the Google sign-up method because it's both convenient and allows me to integrate my calendar seamlessly, which is crucial when using Calendly. I'm going to show you how you can do this in just a matter of seconds. This part is essentially your setup process. You can choose to configure these settings later if you prefer, or proceed right now. I'll click Continue to demonstrate how you can adjust these settings later. Next is your availability. You can set your availability to inform Calendly of when you're generally open for meetings and appointments. I think the default setting from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock, Monday to Friday, with Saturdays and Sundays off, works well. Let's click Continue. Now, you can specify your primary role. Options include interview scheduling, customer success, plus account management, education, leader plus entrepreneur, sales plus marketing, freelance plus consultant, other. I'll select freelance plus consultant and then click Continue. There you have it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully signed up for Calendly and you're now on your dashboard. Let's proceed to close that. As you can see, there's already a meeting scheduled here, which Calendly set up to inform us. The first thing we need to do is access our account settings to get acquainted with Calendly's functionality. Click on Account and then select Account Settings. In the Profile section, review and ensure that all your details are correct. Check your name, language, date format, country, and other information. Once everything appears accurate, move on to Branding. Here, you can upload your brand's logo if you have one. If not, you can leave it blank. It's optional. However, having a logo can significantly enhance your professional image and organization. Next is My Link. This link is what people will click on to view your availability and schedule with you. You can customize this link as you prefer, so calendly.com/ will be your chosen name or whatever you decide. Let's use testing for now. However, as you can see, it's not available. Let me go ahead and change it to How to Heroes. I think that looks pretty cool, short, simple, and nice. Once that's done, simply click on Save Changes. Now, what we want to do is move to Calendar Connections. This step is crucial as it's one of the most important tasks in Calendly, connecting a calendar to your account. This will significantly enhance your organization. Here, as you can see, I've already added my calendar. That's because I signed up with Google, so it was added automatically. If you didn't, all you need to do is click on Add a Calendar and select the email service you typically use. Personally, I mainly use Gmail, Google's email service, but I also have used iCloud and Outlook in the past. Since Google is my primary choice, I connected it. Click Connect, and it will display a list of different email services for you to choose from. Simply select the one you use, and that's it. You'll be connected with Calendly. Next, you have your login options. You can log in with your Google account or use your preferred method. You also have cookie settings that you can adjust as needed. After you've configured everything here, go back to your account by clicking on it. Here, we have a few different options: Admin Management and Analytics under Organization Settings, and Sharing Your Link, among other things. Let's take a look at Admin here. This is a simple tool or option that you can use at your discretion. It's especially helpful if you have a team. So if you're working with a team and you want them all to collaborate using Calendly, you can easily do that. You can invite other users to join as well. There are group options available too, allowing you to connect everyone seamlessly. Additionally, you have access to templates that you can choose from. These templates are straightforward and time frame based, but you can also create new templates to suit your needs. While using a template is optional, it simplifies the process. There are other options like login, billing, branding, permission, and security. The billing is starting as low as $12 per user. Keep in mind that for each user you invite, you'll need to pay $12. I'll delve into pricing details shortly, but before that, let me show you how Calendly actually works. Back on our dashboard, this is what Calendly looks like. This is a sample meeting. What happens when I click on this link I've created, calendly.com/howtoheroes. When I click on this link, it's how my link will appear. When someone clicks on that link, this is what they will see. we can go ahead and delete this for now. Let me delete it, and we can create another one. Once it's deleted, let's click on New Event Type. Here, we have a couple of different options, one-on-one or group. Let's select Create One-on-One. Now, we can name the event, add the location, provide a description, and set the event link. We can also change its color. For now, I'm going to name it Interview. I'll add the location as In-Person Meeting. If needed, we can add the actual address. However, for now, let's say Near the Building. Once that's done, click Update, and there we go. We have our address. Next, we can add a description for this interview or any additional details. Once that's completed, we can simply choose the color we prefer. For now, I'll go with green. Then click Next. Now, you have some more options here. Date range. You can set the range of dates for scheduling. 60 days into the future is quite extensive. Let's go with 2 days. Duration. Decide how long this event will last. Up to 12 hours are available, but 30 minutes should suffice. How do you want to offer your availability for this event? Your working hours seem fine. Everything looks good. You can also choose to add some extra time before or after the event. Yes, we will add 5 minutes. Once that's done, click Next. There we go. Our event has been created. You can go back by clicking back and check it out on our home screen. Here it is, 30 one-on-one interviews with a 5-minute interval before and after to ensure everyone is ready. This is how it's done. You can create a new calendar or event by clicking on the Create button here. You can create an event type, a one-off meeting, a meeting poll, or simply click on New Event here to customize it, as I showed you earlier. Now let me show you the pricing details. Here it is. Currently, we have 4 plans: Essentials, Professional Team, and Enterprise. Each of them comes with different prices. The basic plan starts at $8, the professional plan starts at $12, and the team plan starts at $16. For Enterprise, you'll need to contact them directly. In the Essentials plan, you can have up to 6 calendar connections, whether it's Google, iCloud, or any other software you choose. You can create an unlimited number of events, one-off meetings, and connect with platforms like Google Meet, GoToMeeting, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, Zoom, and other web conferences. You'll also get meeting reminders, automated event notifications, the ability to customize your booking, add Calendly to your website, incorporate branding on your booking page, connect to Slack, access the Help Center, and receive member support, among other features. In the professional plan, you get all the features from the Essentials plan, but with some significant additions. You also have the freedom to create unlimited event types and customize email and text messages. You'll receive notifications when someone books with you, automate all event messaging, and send messages directly from your Gmail account. Furthermore, you can customize your confirmation page and send invites to your website when someone books. You'll also remove Calendly branding, gain access to over 700 app integrations via Zapier, connect with HubSpot and MailChimp, utilize custom integrations with webhooks, track with Google Analytics and Facebook Pixels, collect payments via Stripe and PayPal, and access live chat support, among other features. The professional plan offers a substantial range of capabilities, all for just $12, which is only $4 more than the Essential plan. In my opinion, this is the most popular choice. You can explore all the other options as well, but I believe the professional plan provides the best value. If you're just testing it out, they also offer free access. As I mentioned earlier, you can choose to purchase it if it suits your needs. If not, you can certainly use the free version as well. That's it for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. With that said, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.